How to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Now open up your Telegram application, and if you are not able to log into your account and you don't have access to your phone number, the only thing the Telegram requires to log in is that your phone number. It doesn't require any email or any password, so all it needs is your phone number and the verification code, because it has to verify the ownership of your account. If you don't have access to your phone number and you will not be able to get the verification code, then you might not be able to log into your account. But if you're already logged in with some other device with a Telegram account, you can receive a verification code on that as well, and using that code you can log in and recover your account. But if you are not logged in with some other device and you don't have access to your phone number also, then the only way to recover your Telegram account is either to contact your Telegram support, or simply create a new account with the phone number that you have access to currently. Now to contact to customer support of Telegram, open up your Chrome application in your mobile device, then search for Telegram support, then tap on Telegram support. Now you have to describe your problem, saying that you have lost your account and you don't have access to your phone number, and neither you're logged with other device, but your account is urgent, so please help me to recover my account. So you can type in that problem in this description box, and under that provide your email, and under that you have to provide your phone number that you have access to currently, then tap on submit. Now within a day or an hour, Telegram will contact you back and will get you to recover your account, and that is the way to recover your Telegram account without email or phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.